Top 5 apps like Headway app review that actually work today. The Headway app is popular for learning through book summaries, but most people get this wrong by not exploring alternative platforms that provide verified content and personalized learning. The surprising truth is several apps deliver similar knowledge efficiently. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Blinkist offers key insights from thousands of nonfiction books in bite-sized summaries. Users highlight concise, informative content. Second, Instared provides summaries and analyses of books and articles. Customers love the app's user-friendly interface and reading time estimates. Third, Jet Abstract focuses on business, finance, and personal development summaries. Users appreciate credible content and actionable insights. Fourth, Scribed offers book summaries along with audiobooks, ebooks, and magazines. Many users enjoy variety and offline reading options. Finally, Audible. While primarily audiobooks, it provides short-form content and executive summaries. Users love listening on the go. Pro tip: combine summaries with full readings of key chapters for best retention. Apps like these are great for learning efficiently. These 5 apps help you learn faster, explore new ideas, and gain insight safely and effectively.